people have used herbal teas to relieve digestive problems for decades. The digestive system can be activated by such teas and help to alleviate constipation. It is considered constipation when in a week a person has less than 3 bowel movements. Some people, however, may feel constipated if they do not have a daily bowel movement. The stool may be dry, stiff, and hard to move through the rectum and anus. In this video we look at how various teas can help to pass the bowels, and we address the causes and risk factors of using herbal teas. Either directly or indirectly, certain teas can help with constipation. The stool's extra water makes it softer and lets it pass more easily. A common cause of constipation is, in reality, being low on fluids. Warm tea can also improve the digestive system and help to ease symptoms. A good way to bring more water into the body is just to drink warm liquids, and keeping hydrated is a strong natural method for easing constipation. A 2014 study showed that stress can cause digestive issues. This may explain why herbal teas are used by so many people to relax and alleviate anxiety. Try integrating herbal teas into a self-care regimen to alleviate tension. Let's count down the top herbal teas for constipation. 1. Ginger. Ginger root can help when constipation that arises from bad digestion. To calm discomfort in the digestive system and promote digestion, many individuals use ginger tea. After a heavy meal, ginger tea will help with digestion. Every day, after meals, drinking 1 or 2 cups will help the body to digest food and produce bowel movements. 2. Senna. Senna is one of the laxative ingredients in teas that is best known and commonly used. Senna tea is derived from the Senna alexandrina shrub's dried leaves and pods. The senna plant contains compounds which stimulate the digestive system called glycosides. This can result in laxative effects. There are higher concentrations of senna than the teas in certain over-the-counter OTC laxative tablets. In relieving constipation, these pills can be highly effective. 3. Dandelion. With mild digestive symptoms, such as bloating or occasional constipation, dandelion tea may be helpful. Dandelion, which may indirectly aid with constipation, can cause the liver to produce bile. Dandelion tea adds more water to the digestive system and the stools, which can also serve as a diuretic in the body. This will aid in alleviating moderate constipation. Try drinking a cup of dandelion tea after food to ease the digestive process. 4. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a common natural remedy for digestive problems, and peppermint extract is used in many over-the-counter medicines for digestive problems. The calming effect of peppermint menthol will help to relieve an upset stomach as the stool passes through the intestines. After each meal, drinking a cup of peppermint tea can help individuals who experience constipation and an upset stomach. 5. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root can have a calming effect close to that of licorice, and its laxative properties make it a popular medicinal tea ingredient. Drinking a cup of this tea may be best more toward the end of the day. 6. Chamomile. Chamomile, because of its calming effects on the body, is a familiar fragrant herb used in teas. After meals or at the end of the day, drinking a cup of chamomile tea will help to relax the muscles in the intestines and speed up the time in between a meal and bowel movement. 7. Coffee, black and green teas. There is also a laxative influence of relaxing teas and coffee. Black tea, green tea and coffee naturally contain caffeine, a stimulant that in many individuals accelerates bowel movements. However, in individuals who are sensitive to it, caffeine can have negative side effects. In the morning, people also drink these drinks to wake up and facilitate intestinal movement. 8. Licorice root. Tea made from the root of licorice is a popular tonic for digestive problems. The root of licorice has an anti-inflammatory effect and can promote digestion. Drinking a cup of licorice root tea will soothe the digestive system after a meal has settled and encourage a bowel movement. 9. Parsley. A common herb that can help with digestive disorders is parsley. To relieve mild constipation, a tea that includes the plant's leaves or seeds may help. People have historically chewed the leaves or stems to combat problems such as halitosis and gas. There are several variables to remember, although many individuals find herbal teas to be gentle and calming. In teas, some laxative ingredients, such as senna, can cause side effects and increase the risk of further problems, including diarrhea. Some drugs can also interfere with the active ingredients in teas. Ask a doctor or pharmacist if the ingredients can interfere with any existing drugs before consuming a herbal tea to relieve constipation. Finally, some herbal teas aid digestion and help stools move more freely, alleviating occasional constipation. Extreme or long-term constipation, however, may have an underlying cause that calls for medical attention. See a doctor if constipation happens regularly or lasts for more than a couple of days at a time. There are a wide range of brands and flavors to choose from for those interested in trying the teas mentioned in this video. You can find some at your local grocery store, health food stores, and links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss my next upload.